Good morning. There is nothing like sleeping on clean sheets. That just makes you feel so much better about life. It really gives you hope. It lets you know that it's okay. You can carry on for another week or two until your sheets get dirty, that is. Anyway, I'm going out for ramen with the family. It's just gonna be me, my husband, and baby doll. I'm kind of excited. I wasn't going to turn on the camera and talk to you because I felt very self-conscious about my outfit. I know. And then it hit me. I was like, Jennifer, wow. You're really going to allow clothes to rob you of the little joy that's left in this life, which is family. I was like, you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna put it out there because I am in the middle of, or at least I'm thinking about really revamping my wardrobe, getting new clothes, getting rid of all the things that I own because they're old and I don't like them, I don't wear them. But today we are wearing the old clothes. And you know what, it's fine. I know I like comfort, especially right now if I'm just gonna go out for ramen with the family. I wanna be comfortable. I don't like wearing tight clothing, especially around my belly. That's kind of like my self-conscious area. But I'll show you my outfit and hopefully it's like a transformation. You know, we'll look back at these old outfits and be like, wow, Jen, you've come a long way. At least that's the hope. Let me show you my outfit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. First of all, bralette under, jeans, and those jeans, I definitely feel like I need to learn and kind of explore the world of jeans entirely because I'm sure there are better fitting jeans for my body size, shape. You know, I'm pretty petite. I actually purchased those when I was pregnant because nothing fits. I don't love them. I do like how it fits around here, but I don't love nothing else about it. So, bralette, jeans, and then this long cardigan. Now, I do enjoy the cardigan. I just feel like it's really old. I wear it all the time. Basically what it looks like. Right, and I just have some socks because it is cold outside. So that's basically the outfit. Very simple, very basic. You know, if you're into fashion, let me know, how could I elevate something like this? Of course, we can go with like boots, jewelry. How could I level up something like this? Maybe some earrings. My hair is mini twist. It's been a couple of weeks. I washed them last night, so they were going in all kind of crazy directions. So I ended up doing this kind of like a flat twist situation with the mini twist. No makeup. Definitely a bare face type of day because it's chilling with the family. Let's see what I have jewelry wise. Okay, I think we have found something. This is very old, by the way, and a little faded. I'm gonna use today as an opportunity to wear it and then toss it after that. Okay, I get it. It's a multi-layered necklace and then with like two dangly pieces. I don't know if you can actually even see it. Yeah, it's kind of cute. See, that just kind of like took this outfit just a tad. It took it somewhere. I don't know where, but it took it somewhere. Like, you know, I tried. Let's go get some soup. It's the next day and I am with my mini me, obviously. We're about to brush our teeth. And as for me, I have an appointment. I have a massage. Oh, I'm so glad I pre-book these appointments now because otherwise I don't think about it. I forget about them and then I'm all stressed out because I don't do the little things that really just keep you going, that keeps you relaxed. So now every time I go, I just book like a few appointments ahead of time and then it just pulls up on me and I'm just like, oh, that's right, today's my massage. We're wearing something very comfortable today because, well, when I go for a massage, she gets me to undress myself. So I figured I'll just wear something comfortable to begin with. But it's super cold today. The weather's been crazy out here. Like spring is nowhere to be found. It's still very much winter. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm getting her ready to stay with her papa and I'm gonna be outside, you know, doing my own thing. Well, let's brush these little teeth. You're just eating. the toothpaste. She has 5.5 teeth, y'all. I say 5.5 because one of them is out and the other one is like coming out. But she's been good this time around with teething. Like, she hasn't been terribly cranky. I think she's I don't know, maybe they start having more understanding that, you know, this pain, what it means. But the first week, she also had 4 teeth come at the same time. So it was tough, right, baby? We went through it a little bit, but now we're better. My husband is making pancakes downstairs, so I'm probably gonna have some pancakes before I leave the house. Voila, okay, we're done. Let me do mine now. The toothbrush that I've been using is actually a new brand. It's called Ollie. It's a smart clean toothbrush. I have a lot of experience with electric toothbrushes, and I really love this one. It's so powerful. At first, it almost takes a little bit for you to get used to how powerful it is. But now, when you brush your teeth, it gives you this fresh, deep clean every single time, which I love. I used to work at a few dental offices, which means I have experienced the horror of people's mouth. That's one thing I feel like people don't really take care of their mouth. And I feel like it's one of those big hygienic things we should do for ourselves, along with daily showering. Yes, you should be showering daily. I don't know, people out here are not very clean unless you're going through something, because I was going through something girl the other day and I didn't shower for a little bit. It also has multiple functions, which is great. You could clean, you could whiten, you could polish, you could massage, and there's a function for sensitive teeth. I usually just do clean, whiten, or polish so far, and I can tell you, girl, my mouth is feeling real good. So I'm ready to eat and get up out of here because I don't want to be late.
Let's go to work with you. Five, give me 5. Say papa. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss.
I'm back in my favorite place, the bedroom, and we still have so much work to do in the bedroom. I'm hoping this project doesn't start to interrupt my sleep schedule because it's like 10 o'clock, but I gotta finish it. If I don't, I'm gonna lose momentum. Next thing you know, the house is in shambles for weeks. And I'm also excited that I'm finally doing this thing. I've been talking about decluttering the house for like probably 2 years. There was actually a mess and I still have laundry to fold. This is the garbage bag that I'm collecting. PR boxes, laundry to do. This is my Revere. I've only used it once. I think I'm probably gonna put it in the basement, but I'm gonna give it away to family. Still have to figure something out with my baby's toys. I also didn't put the cases back on these pillows. They're massive, they're just laying everywhere. And it's so easy for clothes to start collecting. It's crazy how fast that happens. Like, who put that there? We have a healthy snack with us, some cashews. I have this robe and I don't think I'm going to wash it. It's actually not mine, it's my husband's. But it's old and he doesn't really wear it. I kept wearing it and I think I'm just gonna part ways with it. It's not moving with us, so I'm gonna think it. I've had some good cozy moments, especially watch a lot of animes in this. I'm gonna let it go. I think I can upgrade to something a little bit more luxurious, right? It's definitely a manly color. There are a few things I'm going to get rid of that I think I'm gonna get a little emotional about. This has been in my life as long as I've been with my husband. Well, see you later. So we still have to take care of this bathroom, but that is going to be a project, girl, for another day. The bedroom's looking good though. Pretty proud of the effort so far. And I'm gonna go chill. What time is it? 11:37. Girl, I gotta go sit down.